Hi everyone, welcome to my first ever vlog, and we're here at the palengke, in front of the palengke, and we're actually eating and indulging lots of street foods. Hindi naman literal na lahat kinain namin, kumbaga pa konti-konti lang kasi ang daming ino-offer dyan, ang daming binibenta, and at the same time we're enjoying our moment while nasa break time kami. Charot, break time. Hindi. Kasi tapos na yung klase namin dyan. And of course, we're now trying to suffice the interest of our own stomach. Suffice daw. Ayan, so hindi ko alam yung kung anong i-caption ko dito. But of course, na-enjoy ako. And ayan, masyadong masarap yung mga street foods. And yun lang.